Hey, what's good? It's your boy Anthony. Just recording one of my songs. It's already recorded, so I'm just like gonna sing over it just to put it up here. So definitely know, let me know what y'all think of it. Alright? It's called "Don't Leave Me Alone" again. Come on, baby, can't you see that it's you and me? Yeah. And there ain't no way I'm going to leave. No way, not this time. I'm gonna stay. I need you to be with me. Don't leave me alone again. No, oh. It's like I'm a baby crying for his bottle when you leave. Oh, don't leave me alone again. No. Don't leave me alone again. I need you to focus, baby. Don't leave me alone again. My friends tell me I'm crazy for even thinking of you. Even when you do me wrong, I'm always there. You got to believe me. There's no way I want you to leave me. Don't leave me alone again, no babe. Don't leave me alone again. To focus, I want you, babe. Don't leave me alone again. Don't leave me alone again. Don't leave me back, don't leave me back, don't leave me back. I'm scared back to with you. Come on, baby. I don't know what to do, I want to end my life. You got me in a trance. I don't know, no, baby. Don't go too far, don't leave me alone. I want you in. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. I need you to focus, babe. Don't know you love me. Come on, babe. Don't leave me alone. Oh, don't leave me alone. I want you so. I want you so bad. I'm scared, babe. I'm scared, babe. Don't leave me alone, no. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So once again, that song is called "Don't Leave Me Alone Again." Let me know what y'all think of it, and just let me know. Comment, rate it, do whatever. Holla. All right.